umbutho omkhulu wesizwe uholi bonke be-National Command, uholi bonke be-province, ama-province onke akhona lapha Mpumalanga isemthethweni nawo wonke ama-province akhona, uholi bonke bama-region, umongameli kaMalala. Sifisa ukuthi ulwelo olude ikakhulu sikhuluma lapha egameni laKhomzina uWillis Mkhono uMakhuze Boyizela. Esifisayo uMalala ukuthi njengoba omkhulu nogogo kade bephahla lapha abefundisi bethandaza lapha bekujulene ayithandazele insizwe endala inwele yakithi ukuba uNkulunkulu obe nayo, uNkulunkulu agcine impilo yayo. Okwanike kufishane ukuzolukela wonke umuntu ohambele lo mcimbi obaluleke kangaka, ukutusa umsebenzi obaluleke kangaka. Sibonga uNkulunkulu ukuba kuze manje asiyezwa kuthiwa khona ingozi ezenzekile. Amalala siyafisa ukubika kuwe ukuthi lapha phakathi kwethu kukhona abantwana basemvumpulu. Siyafisa ukubika noMalala ukuthi lapha phakathi kwethu kukhona amakhosi asemvumpulu eqhamuka kuwo wonke ama-province akhona lapha eNingizimu Afrika azoselebrate unyaka wombutho omkhulu wesizwe ezosho ngavikile ukuthi umhlaba awubuye ubuyele kubantu. Lapha phakathi kwethu siyafisa noMalala ukubukela abefundisi bakaThixo akade bevula lapha ngomkhuleko obalulekile besiphumanisa noThixo. Siyafisa ukubukela noMalala abelaphi bendabuko akade bephahla lapha ngokujulile bebiza amakhosi asendulo, bebiza oShaka noThungane, bebiza oSenza nakhona, bebiza ngisho uBhusha ngoba amakhosi alwela leli lizwe. Sizothi-ke ngalolu suku simukela bonke abahambele lo mgubho egameni likaMhlonishwa uProfeti kaKhomzina uWillis Mkhono ongekho lapha ngenxa yesimo esithile, kodwa emva kwesikhathi nasemva kwey'nsukwana uzosijoyina okanye nathi. Sifisa usuku oluhle Mpumalanga.
Si-acknowledge ukuba khona kwezinye iy'nhlangano ezixhasayo esisebenzisana nazo. Singaphakathi kwethu sine-New Communist Party of South Africa, sibe ne-Progressive Caucus Civics Congress, sibe nomongameli we-African Transformation Movement ozokuthuna ukuhamba kohlelo, sibe sinesihambeli sethu esiqhamuka kwi-United African Transformation, sibe nabaholi bendabuko ongabezitha kanye nabo bonke badeya basemkhosini, sibe kanjalo futhi nabelaphi bendabuko, sibe nabantu abaphathelene nezenkolo kanye nezemfundo abakhona phakathi kwethu sihambele okhona. Siyacela ukuba umfake isebukele bazokhulumela amakhosi azo
Thank you so much, Corporate Director, Honorable President of the MP Party, esteemed members of the National High Command, the MP Women's League, in all the sections of our country, and brigade elders, and of course, and my fellow compatriots, all of you are gathered here, Siabona, and where to, all take the seal, what's between the seal and the because from Amahatona, and take the seal, which it was between the Siabona, which is the Tete is kept saying, which is Sunday and Atlanta. Today we stand on the sacred ground, a testament to the enduring spirit of South African history. As we celebrate the birthday of our beloved movement, the last hope of South Africa, and the just for the just equitable society, let us acknowledge the giants upon whose shoulders we stand on. Now, Emma Peter, stay here. Happy birthday! Condolence Tuesday, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Condolence Tuesday, happy birthday! This is all about you. Every corner, as I see them now, so big. The catch is so painful. Viva MK, viva! Viva Mama, viva! Viva the Dalaman, viva! The sky is today has honor and our to we honor Kawaii Jama, the royal architect of the Zulu kingdom, who was known as Indidi Gacha, for the brilliance and the strength, her wisdom ensured the survival of her people. And today we invoke her courage and we fight for justice and equity. Alongside Mkabayi, we lift the legacy of Kunjaji, the Rain Queen, whose spiritual leadership nurtured the Malume people. Her story inspires us to value the resilience and the wisdom of women. We want to also arouse the spirit of the Federation. We remember Mantatisi, a brilliant military strategist who defended her people with unmatched courage. The Basutu, was a child a symbol of resilience in times of struggle. Amongst the Tswana, we have Kosikhathi Shwe. She stood tall as a leader who unified her people. The Beda, Inamba, Chanda, Kowaka, and Mantia, who preserved traditions and fought for the dignity of the people. And among the song, we call upon the spirit of Shilubana Swatia, who remains symbol of cultural strength and guardians of community wisdom. These are the women whose names must echo our classrooms, where our children dwell. These names must echo our homes, our communities. They are joined by others across the continent, such as Queen of Ndongo and Madamba, who led their people through resistance against colonialism. And there are many more. Today, we also honor the spirit of women who kept our communities alive in the townships and in the rural parts of South Africa. We stand here for Westerners across every province. Women are the lifeblood of our communities, holding together families, building structures on the ground of democracy, and fostering hope. The FK Party's manifesto commits us to a society rooted in Ubuntu, a society that values and uplifts every individual. Let us ensure our progress are inclusive of rural women, of women without disability, women from Kongo, single mothers in Mamelodi, and the young girls at the Bergen. Our journey is incomplete without strong women. We want to champion a strong women's league. We say hands with violence against women. Hands with violence against women. Hands in.
Comrades, sizokumemezela ukuthi kunomntwana olahlekile ku-Asemahle Ntuli oneminyaka eyi-11. Sicela nisibhekele yena bakwethu. Inombolo kanina u-078 586 9632. Ngiyacela bakithi sibheke umntwana simphathe kahle ukile bese sisebenzisela awakhe sibe ezibikela ukuthi ukile. Ngiyacela-ke bantu bakithi siyacela abantu bakithi nithole umntwana sizani uhlabeni olawula. Siyacela ngaphandle kuPholiso Maseko sicele umelele i-FK youth. Sicela uNkanteko asondele endlini. Sinamazi
Gwaza mkonto gwaza. Gwaza mkonto gwaza. Murangeli wa hina President Zuma, Ikura Afrika Dzonga ya hina, comrades, fighters, revolutionaries, and the youth of South Africa. We, as the young people of Mkhonto Youth Party, are declaring the year of 2025 as our year. We are revitalizing and reviving our youth instructions in accordance with the constitutional definition from controversies of party under the age of 30. We will be launching youth instructions in 2025 in our communities, our villages, our towns, and most importantly, in our townships. The Umkhonto we student movement will be mobilizing the youth of South Africa in universities, University of Technologies, TVET universities, and TVET colleges. We are the true and rightful leaders of not only the future, but of currently the present. And in order for us to achieve what we want, we need to work hand in hand with our people, our elders, to achieve the people's will and the people's mandate. The youth of South Africa is trapped in a storm of despair. It's created by the government that has failed to address the challenges of our time. This is not a mistake, it's a betrayal. A betrayal of our hopes, of our youth, who are promised hopes and dreams, but they're instead shackled by inequality, neglect, and unemployment. We must bring back hope to the youth of South Africa. Hope is not just a slogan, but the light that guides us through the end of times. We cannot, without hope, without action. To the youth of South Africa, our time has come to take your future into our own hands. The ANC has failed you. The DA, so-called government of national unity, has failed you. But Umkhonto as a party will fight with you, for you, and alongside you. Let this rally be a turning point. Let it ignite a fire of resistance that will spread into every township, every school, every village, and every home. Let it unite us as one voice demanding justice, equality, and a future with our potential. This is not just our anniversary, it's our revolution. Together, we can dismantle systems that oppress us and build a South Africa that truly belongs to its people. Comrades, the future is here, it's calling us, and we must answer. Amandla! Kwaza Umkhonto, kwaza! Aye again, Umkhonto wesizwe, aye again! Kalma.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Comrade Kantego. That particular message. Vuka Africa, Vuka. Comrades, sishabela phambili. Sicela sinabantu abamelele i-Progressive Caucus abakhona lapha phambi kwethu. Ngicela ukusukumisa ubaba uZungula ongumengameli we-African Transformation Movement asinikeze umyalezo phambi kwe-Progressive Caucus.
Amandla awethu viva Umkhonto wesizwe viva viva Umkhonto wesizwe viva viva Progressive Forces viva forward with unity forward with unity forward. Thank you very much. Mangiqale ngibingelele umuntu omdala, ngibingelele ubaba, ngibingelele uNcamalala, ngibingelele umpostoli uNongqunga, ngibingelele uNdabezitha kuba siyazi kuba amakhosi mayekhona yonke into igqityiwe. Ngibingelele wonke umuntu okhoyo ngaphakathi kule nkundla. Steve Biko said, the most potent weapon in the hands of the oppressed is the mind of the most potent weapon in the mind of the oppressor. It is the mind of the oppressed. What you are seeing in our country, we are seeing the oppressed who are failing to unite. We are seeing the oppressed happy being divided. And this is only serving the oppressor. That is why, as the ATM, we believe in unity. Because it is only through unity we are going to bring about rightful transformation in our country. In 1994, the country made a compromise which did not serve the interest of abantu abamnyama. For 30 years, abantu abamnyama are languishing in poverty. They are languishing in hopelessness only because of one reason, the fact that we are failing to unite. Sibaninzi singabantu abamnyama kodwa siphethwe. The reason why siphethwe kungenxa yokuba asimanyananga. Makhe simanyane sizwe simnyama, sizwe esihle ukuze sikwazi ukulungisa inkinga zethu. Lana eSouth Africa, we need a 2/3 majority without compromise. It is only through a 2/3 majority we are going to expropriate land without compensation. It is only through a 2/3 majority we are going to transform the economy. It is only through a 2/3 majority we are going to make sure that our country, abantu abamnyama, get to live dignified lives. That is why the message from the ATM today is saying happy birthday, MK, happy birthday. Happy birthday, MK, happy birthday. Forward with unity, forward. Forward with unity, forward. Amandla. Awethu. Long live Namalala, long live. Long live Namalala, long live. Thank you.
Amanda, comrades, la parte Salve, Paulo, vamos. Amanda, awethu ngiyabonga ithuba, ngiyanibingelela nonke bantu, ngiqala phansi mina noma ngifuna nje ngiphezulu. Sanibonani bantu abafana nami, aba many more, bonke so many more. Molweni. Ngibingelele zonke izikhulu ke ukulandelana kwazo. Ngibingelele uSG. Bosba. Ngibingelele usekela mongameli. Babhlo. Bese kukhuleka ngenkanyamba ngithi usikhehle mthuzini sashayela ngebujipa kodwa amantombazana. Ngithi usimayedwa lo njengelanga ngoba wonke la ngotiso ngonono. Ungamalala loyo. Amandla. Ngiyabonga bafowethu ngaleli thuba kumkhonto. Happy birthday. Umusa wesithatha sobuntu. Kuninambe ngifuna ukunibizela zona. Ngicela noba navula ifoni yakhe, khona okubaleke kakhulu. Ngifuna kube ngiyamanyana ngoba kuyakhanya ngiyithathe, wonke umuntu ayithathe, ophansi ophezulu inyanga yini. Zibalekile lezi namba. Eyokuqala inamba ithi 35757. Eyesibili ithi 36353. Eyesithathu ithi 38054. Lezi namba ke bafowethu ziya SMS-wa. Religious, uyabhala uthi religious. Imali eqoqwa lapho iya kubantu bakamongo. Enye ithi cultural, ithinta amakhosi, ithinta iy'nduna, ithinta abantu besintu. Bese enye iya abantu abalinguistic. Njengoba zintathu lezi namba khona ewu-2 rand, ewu-5 rand, ewu-10 rand. imali futhi siyiqoqiwe enye ekhona umkwethu ngizomethula lapha ukunikeza imali eningi kuyathathika iy'ngane zami eyeni le mali ingayini ngizoxhaswa ngayo noma ngabe ngifuna ukwelashwa noma ngabe ngifuna umsebenzi ngifuna ukwenzani ma u-SMF uyifaka umkhonto wesizwe uzothi MKP bese usho ukuthi ufuna lo mkhonto wama-culturalist noma wama-linguistic noma wama-culturalist leyo mali izosiza wonke umuntu ngoba angithanda abantu abalambe kakhulu abangakwazi ukuzenzela ngoba ibona abantu abacorrupteka kalula lento ke bafowethu yenzelwe nina le mali asizukunipha ngizoyinikwa nenza umsebenzi bese niyaqeda awungithatheke baba sengiyaphuma le ngoma iphumile intsha akenithi izwe maliphethe abelungu uyobona ngemithetho yaphesheya ngophathi i-Roman Dutch law kuthiwa zivumela abelungu Bakwethu inkosi inibusise kwanza mkhonto wesizwe
siyabonga kakhulu Dr. Mabuso, siyabonga kakhulu ingoma yakho osithulele yona umuntu wakho osithulele yona. Sesingena esigabeni comrades sicela ukusukumisa uChief Apostle Dr. Siza Nongunga azosinikeza a word of encouragement oyisihambeni sethu esibalekile sanamhlanje. Sicela asondele eduze kwethu. Baba Nongunga.
Mandla umkhonto Sofapho uwakho. Comrades, I've learned a few lessons today. The first one is the resilience that you have made and you have seen amongst you. The love, which I believe is unconditional for your leader. Ifuna ukuntshela lento la eSouth Africa asikaze sibe nomholi ofana nalo namhlanje sithi kuye happy birthday. Sibena abaholi very good bende izinto zonke kodwa abanye they lack what we call humanity. Awukwazi ukuthi uqeshe abantu. Qesha abantu uhamba uthatha imali uyoyifaka kuleyo ndawo uyifaka kuyo ungabakhokheli and still uthi yabathanda abantu. Umholi simbona ngokuthanda abantu abaholayo. Ubaba uGedleyihlekisa, that's what he has done. Ngizofika ngikutshele futhi